It is not working at all. I just think it needs to go back to the shops. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JuJu. So today we are doing part 2 of my closet clean out dress edition. This is literally a continuation of the video that I posted. It was getting a little bit long. I don't really like my videos to be more than like 15, 16 minutes long because then I feel like audience engagement kind of falls off. I am a new YouTuber. I know y'all don't watch my whole video. You should watch it though, because I'm kind of funny. Anyways, this is just a continuation of the video. Feel free to go ahead and watch that first video, part 1. It will be linked somewhere above. And we are just going to keep going. So let's just jump right into it. This is the dress that we're going to be showing. Even though this doesn't fit great right now, I cannot bring myself to give up on this dress yet. I feel like a good body shaper, which I just don't feel like putting on right now because I'm super lazy. And we all know a good body shaper is not easy to get into. This dress will be fine. No problem. So I'm keeping it. I love it. I just love this little detail right here. I actually wore it to a Christmas party for one of my jobs and then proceeded to never wear it again. And that was like 5 years ago. Doesn't matter. I'm keeping it. Guys, this dress used to be a great work dress. I will go ahead and insert a picture of me wearing it to work in the office. It couldn't even go over my head to slide down to put on to show you guys what it looks like now. It's gotta go. I am not holding on to baggage. New year coming up. I'm preparing for it. We're getting rid of things that don't fit. Tears. It was a good dress. Did me well. This dress, like, you guys, I remember, like, I got this dress at H&M for like $11. It was on sale, and I got it in like also like a yellow color that I wore to my graduation. Cute insertion of image. The yellow one, it was a smaller size. It stopped fitting like 2 years ago. I actually gave it away to a friend. Made me sad because that dress was beautiful. This one is beautiful too because it just hits all the right places. Yes. Look at this. Gotta give it up. I'm a little bit sad about that, but what can you do? Doesn't fit anymore. Gotta give it away. I should give this up, but I'm not. Backstory time on this little number. I actually ordered it from this website called Boo Boho. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, ordered it last year. It is a beautiful dress. The size is just off. It was off when I bought it. The only reason why I kept it is because when I tried it on, the day that I got it, I had rushed home from work. The package was in the office and I grabbed it, drove to my apartment, proceeded to put it on and take off my makeup. Didn't have a care for the world, was 100% sure it was gonna fit right. Got makeup all over the neckline as I was trying it on and had to keep it. Even though it didn't fit right. Sucks. I still have it. Every time I see it, I cry a little bit. Guys, I was so disappointed in this dress. Not even a body shaper can help me out with this one. It's just doesn't fit me right. Like, I feel like this is for like a very slim figured kind of an individual. It is not for more. It is not for me. It is not working at all. I just think it needs to go back to the shops. This does not fit at all. I can't even zip the back up. However, this is going on the 6-month list. I love this dress. It is so cute to me. Right now, it's announcing my baby shower. We'll get there though. We'll get there. I promise you guys. I am going to do a 6-month follow-up video where I try on all these dresses that I'm keeping that definitely don't fit right now. And we're gonna see. After that, we'll make the decision to pass these lovely items on to some shelters or donate or send it to Goodwill or wherever it needs to go. But right now, I just cannot bring myself to give this dress up. I love it. I will insert a picture of me wearing it, although I think I only have headshots from that night because I don't have a full body picture. Regardless, you will get that. Boy, I can tell so deep under my spell. This falls into the category of me crying that I dress like a little old lady. But I like it. It's for work. I put it on with some like little kitten heels or some little heels and I go into the office. But I always feel like a little old lady. This dress literally still has a tag on it, but this is definitely one of those cases where I feel like a good body shaper and a nice little blazer or cardigan smooth this out. This is another one of my office dresses. Of course, I haven't had the chance to wear it because, you know, cue COVID, but that is okay. I'm keeping it because I haven't worn it, and even though it was only $20, I definitely think it will eventually make a great office piece. Run errands dress. Like, I just can't bring myself to give it up. I just can't. There's nothing special about it. Sometimes I look at it and I'm just like, ugh, flowers, barf. But other times I'm just like, you have to run out to the store really quick, throw it on. One item, you don't have to dress it up. You just gotta throw on some slippers with it. From Stitch Fix. I think it cost me like $56. I think I've only had it for about a year at this point. Yeah, we're just gonna put on some shapewear. We're keeping it. And I never wanna be your girlfriend. This was another one of my dresses that I bought specifically for wearing to work. I don't think I ever wore it without a blazer, and I only wore it one time. I got it for like $10 at this weird little, like, almost like a thrift shop in New York. This is just an idea of how I wore it the day that I wore it. Well, that's not an idea, this is literally how I wore it with some heels. To the office. I told them I dressed like a little old lady in the office. Guys, the disappointment I am feeling at the way this specific dress is fitting right now, I will insert a picture to show you expectation of how I should look when I wear this dress. This was my favorite dress to wear to the office for the longest time, but yo, I am saddened by this. This is going into the 6-month hope pile because I just don't want to give it up yet. Like, I love this pattern. Like, it's like, I love this dress. This is my favorite office dress. Those of you that have been watching my videos for a while, you recognize this dress as one from a Forever 21 haul that I did back in probably August or July. The thing about this dress is, I think I said in the video, it's one of those pieces where I feel like I'm never gonna wear it, but I feel like I couldn't send it back. Haven't sent it back, obviously, because I'm having it on right now. Still haven't worn it. Every single time I think to wear the dress, I don't like the way I look in it. But yet the day that I was trying it on, when I bought it and the package came, I liked it for some reason. Did little dances in it and everything, but for some reason, now every time I go to wear it, I've tried to wear it at least 3 different times and immediately change my outfit. Things right. Things right. You guys can probably tell this is a very old dress based off of the fact that it is in the high-low style that I haven't even so long. Can't even remember the year that this was popular. This is definitely going in the no pile. We can all see why. So another backstory. This dress, guys, for some reason I refuse to throw it out. This is not my first closet clean out series. The others just weren't recorded. I usually do them every 2 years or so. Granted, majority of the time I still hold on to majority of my clothes, but I do end up throwing out a lot, especially those that I never wear and that I don't like. I've had this dress for probably 6 years at this point. Every closet clean out, I say, no, you can wear it for something, but I never wear it. Never wear it. Yes, I know there are those great instances where you hold on to a piece and suddenly the perfect occasion arrives and you wear it. I honestly think I just don't like this dress. I just like the colors of it, and that is why I refuse to give it up. Well, we're giving it up today, baby. This dress is another one of my work faves. I literally just throw this dress on with a nice blazer or a nice cardigan, throw on some heels, office ready. So yeah, I'm not throwing it out. It's a little bit tight right now. Yes, you can see my COVID baby, but we're still keeping it because that's what blazers are for, to button in disguise. Yeah. And finally, guys, last but not least, this dress. I don't know if it's really reflecting how nice it looks once you're all like dressed up and ready to go, because I actually wore it to brunch recently. I think I have the pictures posted on my Instagram and it looked great. Like, I love this dress. It's a nice, comfortable dress. You just put it on. It allows you to grow your food baby, which is my goal whenever I go to brunch and I wear dresses, is a dress that allows the procreation of food babies. By the way, guys, just so you know, like in total, I have about 19 dresses slated for donation, or maybe I'll try to like sell them on like Mercari or eBay. I don't know, because I'm kind of lazy. So actually donation seems like my best bet. Yeah. So in this closet clean out, I am getting rid of 18 from the 52. Do the math. I'm not good at it. Can't come to the conclusion off the top of my head. We're going to be left with the others. And then we have those that are in the pile. That's like, we're going to give it another try in another like 6 months. See if they still fit. If they don't, we're going to stop subjecting ourselves to that negativity and we're going to throw it away. Okay? So, thank you guys for stopping by and watching another one of my videos and sticking with me as I do my closet clean outs. Feel free to comment below. Be nice, don't be mean. Let me know if there's any pieces that from your perspective may not be as great as I think they look, or any pieces that you think, hey girl, maybe you should hold on to that for a little while and add it to your 6-month hold pile. Let me know. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate all those that watch my videos. Until next time, bye.